Hi mga ka-network! It's me once again, Cristeen, and welcome back to my channel!
And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the tiny bell para like yung updated sa aking mga videos. Hi guys! Well, it's Christmas time! Let me show you how to do my green eye makeup look for tonight. Starting on my brows, I'm using Sassy Lady Tinted Brow Gel. And I use RCMA Concealer as my eye primer to pop up the color of my eyeshadow. Just dab it around the area of your eyelid. Dab dab dab! Merry Christmas! Oops, just cleaned the area of my brows. As you can see guys, I already did my eye makeup on my left eye. Using fluffy brush from Shopee, I'm going to use eyeshadow palette from Beauty Glaze. First color that I pick is apple green. Blend the eyeshadow in circular motion all over the eyelid. Next, I'm going to use my medium-sized blending brush and a little bit darker eyeshadow in the shade of Jungle. Now I'm going to use my pencil brush and dip into the darker shade called Emerald and blend it near my lashes to the outer and inner corner of my eye. Using this medium pencil brush and this blue-black shade eyeshadow, I'm going to blend this on the outer corner of my eye. And to make my eye looks radiant, I'm going to pick this glittery shadow in the shade of Mermaid. It's easier for me to dab this glittery eyeshadow using my finger than my eye makeup brushes. This Sassy Lady eyeliner is a bomb because it's smudge proof and the tip is very thin. Easy for me to draw a wing line. Okay, it's time to clean up the mess. Blend it again to smoothen the harsh line. Blend, blend, blend. Doing a retouch on my eyeliner, I'm going to draw a tiny wing, just a little bit, a tiny wing. Okay, just go back to the blue-black eyeshadow and blend it into your lower lashes near to the waterline. And because I want my eyes to look bigger, I'm going to use this white eyeliner for my waterline because this will create the illusion of having a big eyes. Oops, don't forget your false lashes and your eyelash mascara. I'm using Sassy Lady Big Volume Eyelash Mascara to add some volume on my lashes. I'm just adding a little bit of eyeshadow on my lower lashes again. Blend, blend, blend. And adding some shimmer at the corner of my eye. And voila! That's my smoky green eye makeup. And this is my look for tonight. Hi, Chin-chan! That's my favorite! Oh, and Cotton! Hi, Cotton! Say hi to them! He is my adopted son, and his name is Cotton! Okay, let's go back to my final look. And this is my final look. Got the girl. Oh ha, titang-tita ang dating. Hi, Tita Tintin. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time. Merry, Merry, Merry Christmas. Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Give me kisses. Mwah, mwah, mwah. See ya. Ingat.